Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rafeeq. Welcome here, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the MySQL community server and MySQL Workbench. So let's start. First, go to your computer and on your browser search for this term, MySQL community server. Click search, and here is one of the links. You can click on this one. By the way, this is free for you guys. And here select the operating system, your operating system. For mine it's Windows. You can switch to other operating systems. You can click here or go to download page. I will click here and to install the package. From here you can select one of the options. I will go with the first option to start downloading my package. In this next page I will skip by doing no thanks, just start my download, and here you can right away run or save and then run. I will run this right away and wait a couple of minutes to start the installation. Here is the page, the first page to install your package. From here I will go to custom and we'll select the items that we want. Click next, and here are the items. From here I will select MySQL server and we'll select the latest one, version 8. Click on it and then click on the arrow here to move it to the right one. Next, I want to download some apps here. One of the apps we want to download the Workbench, and this is version 8. As you can see here, click on the one you want, the latest one, and click on the arrow to move it to this side. So now click next. After selecting the items that you want, I added more than we need, but the main things are MySQL server and MySQL Workbench. I am very recommend that you download the samples and examples to take advantage of them. Next, you can click on execute and follow the instructions. Okay, now we are done. So you can click on next and keep going. Keep the standard settings and click next. We'll keep everything as is and go to next. Use strong password if you want. It's recommended, or you can go to this second option. I'll keep the first option. Enter a password, one that you can remember. You need it every time you use the system. Repeat the password again. So click next and keep everything as is. Click next, execute. Now we almost done. Click finish, and here you need to enter the password that we just entered. Check successfully. Now go to next, make this execute. Now click finish. Finish again, and we're almost there, and here we are. It's ready now. We'll continue in the next video, so click on the next video to show you how to start using the Workbench. Thank you, and see you next time. Goodbye.